Welcome to another windy and cold episode of Skids and Donuts, where today we're going to be installing a CarPlay kit into my girlfriend's car, and we're going to see if it's actually worth doing it yourself. So let's see what's in the box. So here's the box itself, and this is everything that comes with the kit. So we get an installation guide with some cable ties, very nice. You get the new cables to attach to the new device, and you get the device itself. So this is for Mazda in particular. So if your Mazda has one of these, you can get this CarPlay kit. So just a side note with this, the dealership wanted to charge £450 for this. I got this off eBay for 66 quid. Keep these somewhere safe because you'll lose them and then you'll be in a world of trouble. We got it out. Look at that. Pretty much the same up front, but at the back, they're the CarPlay and Android Auto cables. Let's plug my phone in, see what happens. Nothing apparently. After spending about half an hour trying to figure out what was wrong, I found out after doing some research the problem was down to the firmware version of the Mazda infotainment system. Turns out version 59 is quite outdated and you need version 70 or above for it to actually work. But it also means I need to uninstall everything I've already done, update the firmware, to then reinstall everything again. And with that massive disappointment and the failed attempt of trying to install CarPlay, this video will now come to an end. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.